So this is a short before video. We are starting new project and we are taking this bathroom all apart and changing it completely, moving this wall into the closet on the other side to give us more space, and we are moving the plumbing around, putting the pocket door here. This will have some super fun features, so you make sure you follow this project here because we team up with Barbara Purdy, so it will be a designer bathroom renovation here. We'll do some super fun things here, custom cabinetry, some fun stuff with the lights. We'll do some interesting stuff with the baseboards, and it will be a curbless walk-in linear drain shower with a piece of quartz on the main walls or on the side walls, and some interesting tile on the main wall, bench in the corner, and again some fun cabinetry. And we are bumping this wall almost 2 feet, so this will be a nice big spacious bathroom. So this will be designer bathroom renovation. This is how we'll name the playlist, so stay tuned for more because this will be the interesting one. Thank you for watching.